Hi guys, this is Subhash here and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today's video on from Chapoli Dam, Canacona. I'm riding to Bupra waterfall which is in gaondongrim area next to the Canacon. Almost 15 kilometers ride maybe. Let's see what we can see on the way. Okay then, if you like this video guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. So let's go do this now. Ready guys, this is Bagbat here in Canacona. Okay, I'll just stopped here to eat something. It's 3 o'clock now. I'll go and eat something. This guy makes very nice roast omelette. Every time when I come this side, I eat here something or whatever they cook here. They make nice roast omelette. I'll show you that. I'll have something, chai pani something. This is Janta hotel here. This guy is making very nice roast omelette. I always come and eat here. In this place, it's very tasty. He makes, and he's the owner of this place. Okay. All right, guys. I'm going to Bupra fall there. There's something called Bupra fall there. I don't know, maybe water is there or not, but what I tell you, rain will start now. It's heavy clouded here, this place. Maybe after few kilometers, maybe I get some rain this side. And this is the area here. This is called Bagbat here. Just now I had a roast omelette, a Goan dish there at this place. Okay, let's see what we can see today. It's around 3:30 now and it's very cloudy in this place. It's all mountain area this side, that's why maybe. Okay, then I have to ride for 40 kilometers from here to my home. Okay, I'll take the left from there I'll just go 500 meters, then I'll take left from there. Then I'll go for more 9 kilometers from there to Bupra fall there. Let's see how it goes now. Okay guys, that is Netulem road and I'll take this road here for Bupra fall. Let's see what we can see there. Right guys, this is Bupra fall area here. Finally I'm here and this is the way to Bupra fall here. Okay, I'll just go and check it out what we can see there. Okay, so guys, this is the area here. Tourists are here on Goans. This is the place. You see here, water is less there. But anyways, they have nice place to swim as well. I'll show you. So guys, there's a people are swimming there. So I'll not go and shoot there. I'll just stop from here. Okay. Okay guys, there's the fall there. Just now I come from there now. And this is Bupra village here. It's a mountain area. It's all mountain in this area. There is one more small dam there. So I'll go and check it out. Whether I can see there something. I'll try to show you. Alright guys, that was Bupra fall here in canacona area, gaondongrim. So there's a nice place. The people were swimming there. It's a lot of girls there. So I didn't shoot there. So I showed you outside only. From here, I'm going to smaller dam is around here somewhere. I'll go and check it out whether I can see something there. I'll try to show you. Okay, if you like this video, do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Guys, Okay then, thanks for watching. Bye bye.